Hi guys, Scott Patterson here. Now, what I am doing in this video is I am starting a brand new channel, and I'm going to start a brand new project in affiliate marketing. So I figured for absolute beginners or newbies or whatever you want to call yourself, I'm going to start by showing you what product I have decided to promote, and then how I'm going to generate traffic to the offer. And basically, you can follow me in this journey over the next 30 days. I'm going to be creating content and using YouTube primarily. I will use other methods as well, but I'll start from YouTube right from the beginning. So, we'll go back to, this is the product that I will be promoting. So it's called Legendary Marketer. It's an affiliate marketing program. It's a private one, which means if you want to promote it, you've got two options. You can either go through their course, and then you get accepted basically to promote it. And they have like a 15-day. I'll just log in. I'll show you quickly. So log in quickly. They have a 15-day business challenge here. It's excellent content, and then you get an option around day 4, day 5 to join the program as an investment, and then it's up to you whatever you want to join at, what level, and then you can carry on promoting it. But there's heaps of awesome trainings. Basically, in my opinion, if you invested in this course, you won't need to spend another cent anywhere, because what especially new people get into the program or the problem with jumping from program to program. So some call it shiny object syndrome. It's just basically you're not sure whether it's the right thing for you. So you jump on board, you try a little bit, you get no result, and then you move on to the next one. But I am telling you, if you stick with these guys and really give it a good go and follow all their training and all the stuff that I'm going to show you what I'm doing, you should see some results. Now, I'll just show you just quickly, go into my affiliate account, and literally I have just started. So I did a promotion on the weekend, just tested some solo ads just out of curiosity, and I'll show you what I have got from the beginning. That's Dave Sharp, he's the CEO, awesome guy. So I did a solo ad, and I'll show you later down the track what you can do if you want to go down the road. Costs money. I did a little test, and I bought 200 ads or emails, and they email them out to their list of people, usually predominantly in the business op market. So out of the 200 that I bought, 92 hits through to my squeeze page, and out of that I've got 15 leads that have gone on into this. So they haven't bought anything yet, but what now happens is they have a follow-up procedure. So these guys, when they come on board, then they'll be followed up email sequence, and they'll start buying stuff later on. So that's a paid option, but I will show you how to get into start getting traffic for free via YouTube. Now here's an old account. I actually dabbled a little bit with a couple of different ideas, made some money here and there. Nothing really substantial, just testing different ideas. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this account, so Total Life Happiness, and I'm going to set this up basically from the beginning and then start creating videos for it and creating content to get out into the marketplace, which will generate leads and then will generate sales as we grow this account. Let me show you what is my alright, some of the videos, how to start an online, that is me, you don't need to hear me. Alright, so far I've got 597 views to this video. So it's just starting out. All up, the whole channel, I've only got 10,500 views. But if you go back to, so I've got no subscribers here, so diddly squat. So yeah, basically brand new. But anyway, that's you're welcome to join me. I'll be creating a new video pretty much every day. And if that sounds like something that you're interested in, then definitely join me. Also, some other tools that you can use, especially beneficial tools, are this one here, Keywords Everywhere. That allows you, I'll just click on it. It just helps you with your keyword selection. And then TubeBuddy, this is another awesome tool, and that helps you with your analytics, with your YouTube videos, help you to refine your keyword searches that are suited for your channel. So Keywords Everywhere, it is a tiny little investment. I think you can get started for about $10, and it gives you like a point system. I think it gives you about 100,000 points. And then as you go through, when you're using it, you go through the points. You know, if you run out, depends how aggressively you're using the points. Depends on how much you spend. But it's $10 to get started, so it's not that much. TubeBuddy is a free initial offer. If you want any more substantial features to use, then it's a small investment. I think I'm paying about $10 a month or something for that, just for the pro version. But it's worth the investment. So what I'll do is I'll put the links to these tools that I'm using underneath this video, and also the link to Legendary Marketer. So if you want to have a look at that, so you just have a look. That's the links will be under this video, and you can have a quick squeeze. But that will do it for now for today. So I'm signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.